Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Today's video, let me show you a blonde 613 customized units. And as you know, we also can customize the wigs. Like you tell us to customize the units like with for example 20 inches frontal with 24 inches bundle, 3 bundles or 2 bundles, whatever. So we can do the customization. And this is actually a unit made of 16 inches frontal with 22 inches bundles. And this is pretty thick of 3 bundles, 22 inches bundle and 16 inches frontal. So we can also do this for natural color wigs or other type of wigs. So you can actually contact us to do the customization. Let's see inside of this cap. This is a 613 blonde wig. So if you're looking for a pretty, very much thick wig, or you want just like you have an ideal width or ideal density, like 2 bundle, 3 bundle, 2.5 bundle you want, you can tell us and we will do this for you. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day.